Ma'am, hindi ka makita yan.
Tanaw sa diri tanan, bisa dire. Tanaw diri tanan.
Makitaan lahat, no? Okay, let's do this. Mabuhay!
Another recipient is Sinanglanan National Irrigation.
Next is Kasama Ka at San Vicente, Pangantukan, Bukidnon. Next is Concepcion Farmers Association at Barangay Concepcion, Pangantukan, Bukidnon.
So, ang ATI is the attached agency of the Department of Agriculture in charge of the trainings, no? So, tanan nga trainings na akang ATI. And if those farms or farmers would like to have their farms to be accredited as learning site, then they can go directly to ATI, kay Ma'am Lydia. We also have here with us our